found the training in digital strategies for business growth to be a real and practical journey towards my organization achieving a competitive edge in the industry, financial industry. It really puts in focus the bank overarching strategic plans and how we target our customers and remain relevant in a digital market today.
But one of the things that stood out to me is the fact that in order for your business to remain relevant or visible in this technological age, of course, you could use the different social media platforms to promote your business. It can help you to gain more customers.
Good day, good day. I've learned that we don't need to fight our competition. We can cooperate to get co-opetition.
One of the things I've learned so far from this training is that there's so many platforms that you could advertise your business or your organization to garner more support or clients and so on. So we've learned a lot so far. So
what I've learned so far is that in the modern time of digital age that we're going, I find that with different platforms that we have and using keywords, you can use to enhance my business as well as the company's business as well too, so that we're moving forward and so as to garner more customer base in terms of digital.
The digital age is upon us. Guyana is right now in an emergent state, petro state. So internet boom will be upon us soon. Digital technology, so to speak, should be adopted by everyone. And we should transform our current ways of doing things and go digital, because that is where the future is.
Alright, so the greatest takeaway for myself and team was that we were able to learn new marketing tools that are free, available to anyone to really improve our inbound marketing and sales, how to attract customers, convert them and close them. So I recommend this to anyone.
And I just want to thank Christian for journeying all the way to Grenada to do this for us. I think it is a much needed program at this point in Grenada, where we are moving on, transitioning into the online everything. So I want to thank you.
I'm Gavin Cornwall, and I just completed the Digital Strategies for Business Growth course that was moderated by Chris Jr. Now Chris, this guy is fantastic. He knows his stuff. His delivery mechanisms are fantastic. He's all very conversant with the topic, and I would suggest this course to everyone. My main takeaway from the course is that it has opened my mind up to all the possibilities that the social media platforms can deliver value to my customers, and as a consequence of that, benefit to me and my practice.